Welcome to another beautiful, fun, exciting episode of Katra Instant Class. I'm an actually beautiful, great fan of you, beating challenge, best friend. Look what I'm gonna do to him. What? Di profit. Abe da mano be video ka go shakre ke mun. Di profit o. TikTok ayi. Yela be ku bontsha ona time makele kwa morago yo pela. Go shene.
Amolo ga re fa 720 la follow oni biaje
Ke ro ba tsebe ba nyu better speed.
Le nyaka bokae mabona ba ntse tule
What's that?
one
Amfana wena o tshitelile.
one chwa bilo le talogo la manga ke re yo spin
ya yes please
Don't waste time.
mbulela chief
Don't. Di profit. Ba re gopela o bule ka morago. Oh, re bula ka ntho.
aji ta butchedisa lo sala te fit
a do thabishiwe
ke se 7 ale
e yang ga ya phone ka kwantlo e kwantlo nya
phone la ba
e shi tshwara ba yi tshela di ditshila tshela ke no mono
ke se 7 ke nya ka tona tse green
It's a grey.
tse green ke ta ga tse
go ra lo ka mo
ke ito
Ah eh.
8
Ka teki.
tsalela makombo
ajudi nya ka mothanya ve nya
o ka mo fola
ya
Nyaka ven.
le malume na le fe ntse ke ri malume le ga
What about people? This guy likes this mark.
okay
Eta.
ya ga pele o berekela nako
Straight. Kita ba ka tswa mudi. Guys, lo tshela le rata mo di bona. Big. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 5 week. Okay. Week. Okay, it's the fura. This one is there. Itatai. 086 week. Nkwandam. And this is liquid. It's not caramel, it's not white. It's just a nice color with glitters. You see this color? Okay. Then let's go and look at the corner of this quantum. You see the corner? You see it's just white in the way your new colors. Now come here. What do you see? Glitters. What do you see? GL so GL in a little change color sometimes. Sometimes sometimes grapes. Ulagada. Guys, why do you always put this Garfield in your taxis? Someone was answering in the comment section. Why do you always have this doll? Who said this is a national doll? At least put something that tells a message. At least let the doll have a message. I love you or something. No, this thing is just lazing around. It's that, remember that style back in the days? You used to put a monkey, which would look like it's holding on. It'll go out of fashion, so you'll remove it. Guys, I'm telling you about the color of the sky. I know it's at night, right? But as I zoom in, do you see what I'm seeing? Those things your parents told you that if they get into your eyes, you go blind. Glitters. So those taxi glitters. Imagine arriving in a glittering taxi. Even the 35 glitters. I'm not sure if they Vora glitters. No, Vora doesn't glitter. Doesn't even glitter. Katravik. Katravik. Import. Because there's no way you can have this type of number plate in South Africa. Maybe this part only is imported. Because you can't be imported and then you have barons and one VW. You see? Do you understand what I'm talking about? Or you don't? Talk to me. Left to right, east to west, E30O, 30E. Yo. 55 week. Boom, 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 boom. I will drive and eat it. I will nicely drive in one. All carry some order. Kill my gay, shall do you so? Hey, you removed them, man. Hey, man, this guy's having original BMW mats. I'm not only seeing now. Guys, you know how much those things cost. do you know? Six pushy. Breaky is fighting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why it's fast. Ish. What is she about? What is she about? People will remain. Guys, I'm just sitting in here so I can draw inspiration for myself. So when my time, my time comes, yeah. Imagine having both these beasts belonging to you. What would you do? Would you wake up? He wakes up to drive none. Leaves them here until there's a show. Those car will only leave this yard when there's a show. Don't never just go out. It waits for a show. It waits for a show. Or else it sits inside. Where is that Katra?
Nkupi. Yeah. I'm gonna go.
Who are you?